I will walk you through on how to create or design YouTube video thumbnail using Canva. I'm creating this video because a viewer requested for it. Okay, so I will be detailed enough to walk you through on everything that you need to know. I'll teach you how to design a thumbnail like this or the one that looks like this. So follow from now to the end to get everything. Let's get into it. Get your computer connected to the internet. Just as you can see here, my own is connected to the internet. All right. Then open your web browser. Here I'll be using Google Chrome. So I'll double click on it for it to open. In the search for Canva. As Canva shows up in the search result, you can see this option. You'll see this option Canva Visual Suite for Everyone with the website link canva.com. Okay, click on that. You'll be taken to a page that looks like this. If the page you're taken to is not looking like this, it means that you have not signed up on the platform. So sign up, and after that, you are signing automatically and landed on a page that looks like this. Okay. So here we need to start our design immediately. Our interest is on YouTube thumbnail. So in this search area, click and then type YouTube thumbnail. Once you're done typing the word, press the enter key of your computer keyboard for it to search for YouTube thumbnail templates for you, okay? This returns some samples for you, some templates you can work with. This is blank templates. These are pre-designed templates that you can select and change few words on them and it becomes yours. All right. But here I want us to work with blank template. So I will select the option blank template. Okay, the first thing is you need to give this project you're about completing a title. So come to this section and click and give it a title of your choice. So here we call it YouTube thumbnail. The reason for choosing this title is because the video title we are creating in respect to this design is named How to Create or Design YouTube Thumbnail. All right, you get that. So after that, press the enter key for the name to be saved. You can see it has been saved. Now here you can see some other templates also suggested to us. We see that in a previous page. So we can click on it and it's any of this and it's placed here. But I don't want that. We want something unique. But anyone that has this crown icon is not free. Okay. These ones that don't have crown icons are free. But I don't care about that because I want us to design everything from scratch. Okay, look at these sections. You can see some major tabs. You have design, or which is selected by default, showing you some templates available, or you can even search some templates, YouTube templates here, and they will show up. We have elements, it contains some, will I say, some objects that will allow you to add value to your design. You have some things like shapes, graphics, and the rest. Okay, so any of them you want to go for a frame, you just click on the category, they will show up and select anyone you want to use and drop in this editor area. Okay, we have text that allows you to introduce text into your design. We have branch kits, we have uploads, which allows you to upload some photos that you need for your design. Okay, all these things you see here, I uploaded them because I use them for my design. I get in it. So depending on kind of design you are creating, you may need an image to illustrate to the people. This is what I'm talking about in this video. Okay. So anytime you place image here, it appears here. Okay. Anytime you place image on your Canva, it appears here. All right. Okay. So if you want to upload, click on upload files and select the option to pick a picture from your PC and you get it down here. All right. Then draw allows you to draw some things. Okay, it has some draw tools that you can use to draw on what you're designing. We have The next one, projects, okay, which lists some projects you already completed on this platform. You can see some of my designs here. All right. Then you have apps. So these are just all the tabs we have here. Basically, return to our design. So I'll click on design for us to be taking here. Okay, once we are here, we want to start the design proper. And the first thing I want us to do is to assign background color to this our project. So I'll click here for this entire editor to be selected. Once it's selected, click here. Okay, background color 2. All right. Then this lists some background colors you can select. You can choose one at the beginning, later you change to another one. Okay, if it doesn't match other elements that make up your design. By elements, I mean things like text, images, or shapes. All right, depending on what you want to have inside the design. So let me work with this. I'll click on this. So once I click this, is assigned. All right, so we are done with that. Then let's go and introduce text. Okay, for you to work with this, click on the text tab. Okay, I want to have few keywords that makes up my title in this design. Listen, the design I'm creating is what I will use as thumbnail in this my video title. Okay, so the title is how to design YouTube thumbnail using Canva. So I can pick few words from there. I wouldn't have everything on this design. No, because they will look so small. The text will look so small, and it will make it difficult for people to capture the message you are going to you are trying to pass. So just have few words, maybe from 2 to 4 or maximum 5 keywords in this. So I want to have what I want to have here. This I want to have here is create YouTube thumbnail, which are 3 keywords. So I will pick this and drop here. For you to take this here from here to here, just take your cursor there, press and hold on the left button of your mouse, and then drag. Are you getting it? It's placed here. You can see that. Or you can just click for it to be assigned here. Then you then reposition it. Okay. So to edit the text, double click. Then delete all the text here. So the first keyword here is create. I'm done typing it. But you can see this is kind of dark. Are you getting it? I've clicked out. I'll click on it again because the background here looks kind of dark. So after it is selected, just click on this for you to change the color, this color. Then let me assign white to it. But the text kind of is still small. So click here and type a value you want. Let me use value of 100 here. After you type the value, press the enter key of your computer keyboard. Okay, good. It looks kind of okay at this point. So I can click on it again and drag it up. Click out. Then I want to duplicate this so that it will be a kind of a stand for me to create other text here. So click on it for it to be selected. I click on these 3 dots and then select the option to duplicate. Okay, so I'll duplicate this. Then I'll go down here. Okay, so create YouTube. So the next keyword here is YouTube. So I'll click inside this text box and type the text YouTube. You can see it has this letter has jumped down here, so I will extend this. Okay, you can see how my cursor has changed to to an arrow that has 2 pointing ends. Okay, good. Then I can get it down. Then the remaining keyword here is thumbnail. As it is selected, I'll click here and, duplicate. I can just click here. This is duplicate icon as well. Okay, then I'll drag it down. So I'll change this text, double clicking, delete everything, and then type the word thumbnail. Then I will come to this section and extend as well. Okay, click out, click on this, and then get this. But I have a font I usually use in this. So I want to change to that font. As the text box is selected, click the font area, which is this. Click and then select a font of your choice. I like using Anton, so I'll click on it. Good, it has changed. Then I need to increase the size. 20 is okay for me. Then I'll drag to this end. Okay. Why I'm shifting everything here is because this place is going to contain some other images. You get that? Then great, I'll click on that and change it to Anton as well. Sorry, click here, select Anton. See here? Then I'll increase the size. Maybe I'll give this 130 because the word is made up of few letters. All right. Okay. It's good. Click here and I can change this font again to Anton and value of 120. Okay. Let me give you 120. Okay. Beautiful. Because we're talking about YouTube here. So and click and drag it here. All right. So we have create YouTube thumbnail, which are the major texts we need here. Now we need to add an image. I like customizing my thumbnail so that my face will show in every thumbnail. Why I'm doing that is so that if somebody watches my video and likes it, anytime search for another title and my face show up, will say, oh, I watched this guy's video before. So let me go and watch it because it must make sense. So that's why I like having my faces on almost all my thumbnails. All right. So let's go check on the pictures we need for this. To check the photo, click here. That's the file explorer for it to open. I save the photo in the pictures folder. So I'll click on pictures. Then I'll get to my pictures. Double click. All right. Look at this photo. I got it from a studio. I went to a studio and snapped it. So if you want a stunning photo, get to any studio around you in your area, photo studio. When you get there, meet the camera guy or the guy in charge of snapping. He will snap you a stunning picture. Tell him to edit it raw. Okay, so look at something like this. Though it didn't come like this, I think I cropped it. Yeah, I cropped it to this way. So let him take you a good picture. Which should we use? Why we are doing that is so that the picture will have good resolution. In some of my recent thumbnails, you can see how my face sparks. Yes, it's because I want to studio. So don't just put anyhow picture there. Don't put anyhow face there, please. Make it captivating. Okay. So after he finished snapping the picture, he will edit it and send it to your mobile phone. Okay. So you transfer to your PC. That's the first thing. Okay. Then this is one picture we are going to use, my main picture, but we have other logo of YouTube and Canva. But let's focus on this first. Okay, so once you transfer this into your PC, we need to remove the background because this has a background so that it doesn't conflict with our design. So let's visit our browser again. So open a new tab here. Visit this website remove.bg. It will allow us to remove background. Okay, as this page opens, click on upload image, then get to where you saved that your photo you shot in a photo studio. Okay, so look at the image, click on it and select open. You can see how this is removing the background has been removed. Okay, so click on download. It's downloaded into the downloads folder. So click on the file explorer for it to open again. Click downloads. Then look at the image. Okay, it has this attachment remove bg preview. So I want to change this name. Maybe I will have it as my face. Okay, click, wait for a few seconds, click again for you to change the name. Enter key to save. Okay, so I have saved this as my face. But though I shot this in a studio, I need to increase the resolution of this image again, this picture of mine. Okay. And I will recommend you use an AI tool called Upscale. So let me open a new tab, then search for upscale. Okay, you can see upscale.org. You can see it here. Enter. As this page opens, click on download, install it on your PC. Okay, I've already installed it on this PC. So let's see how we can use this to upscale this my face file, which shows my picture. All right. So I have installed it already. So look at it here. So double click for it to open. Then this is the settings we have here. All right. Click on select image. Then get to the downloads folder where we have the picture. Okay, look at it here. My face, click on it, open. All right, so the next step is get to this section and click on upscale. So give it time for it to upscale this picture, improve the quality so that when we stretch it on Canva, it will not lose any quality. So that's the reason why we are doing this. Okay. This software has done a great job. Okay, look at the preview of what we have. It shows you this is the old part of the picture and this is how it will look. So let's get to downloads and see if we have it there. Okay, I'll click on this for it to open. Look at the image here. So I'll double click. So the quality of my image has now been improved. You get that? So now we need two additional images to add to the thumbnail design we are creating. So open your web browser, new tab. Then the two images we need is the logo of Canva and the logo of YouTube. Okay, so I will type for Canva, just type Canva so that it will show up in a search result. Select images. Okay, so we have a lot of designs, logos of Canva. So I can click on this for it to open fully. Right click, save as image as. It appears as web file. That's not what I need. So I will take screenshot of this and then save it in my PC. Okay. So take your own screenshot. Okay, I've taken the screenshot of this. Then the next image I need is YouTube. All right, so I'll search for YouTube. It's already under images. So I like this and I like this. Which one would we use now? Okay, let's keep it simple. So let's go with this. So I will still take screenshot of this. Okay. Okay, so we have picked the two additional images we need. So let's get to that background removing website. I'll remove the background so that it doesn't interfere or conflict during our design. So select this, upload. Okay, get to downloads because, okay, no, they get to pictures because it's screenshot we took for the two extra images. Okay, look at screenshot folder. So as this opens, I'll click on Canva, open. The background is being removed. I'll download. Then I'll click this place. Then I'll get to the other image, which is YouTube. Select it, open, download. Okay, so we now have all the images we need to continue our design. So let's get back to our Canva. All right, so the first image is my picture. So I'll click on uploads, upload file, downloads. Then look at it, the one we upscaled. Click on that, open. Then upload again. Then I'll select these two that has their backgrounds removed. I have their background removed, okay? Open. So everything is coming in, okay? They are all in. So I'll click here for it to be, this one to be assigned here. Close this place, we don't need you. All right, so this is my photo. The first thing is to cut this. So you can see how my cursor shows here. It changes to the two arrowheads. I'll drag to this level, get here, Drag down a little. Good. So now I need to stretch this to get down to this area. That is the good advantage of that upscale. So as we are stretching this, it doesn't lose quality. Okay, good, better. Yeah, okay. So we have a great design here. I can reduce this font and drag it this way. I can reduce it more, thumbnail, drag it this way. So you have to kind of be careful and be strategic as you create your design. Okay, good. I have a nice face here because of upscale AI program. Beautiful. So now we have to drag this and drop. This one will be under. Then now we reduce it this way. All right. Okay. Then now we drag this and drop above because this is the major thing that does the major job, the Canva. Okay. That's the major application that does the job for me. Then I will take it up, reduce it a little again, drag up. So just do your job neatly. Okay. Okay. Then we have these two, and I can reduce this the more because it can be bigger than Canva just like that. So now let's go and introduce plus, because why I'm introducing this plus is just to inform the viewers that we see this does. We are talking about YouTube thumbnail, but we created it with Canva, so the two are involved. So we go to elements tab. Under elements you can search for plus here. Okay, it will show up, but recently I used it, so that's why it appeared on that recently used. So I'll click on it and I can minimize it, make it smaller, drag it and put here. But it's gonna be more smaller because it's just telling us that we are linking both. Okay, good. All right, click out. You can see we have done a neat job. This is just all you need for your YouTube thumbnail, and I know it looks great. So now let's save. For you to save this, click here, share, then click downloads, click download again. YouTube, create YouTube thumbnail. So that's all you need. So if we get to the downloads folder, we can open this fully. Let me refresh, then double click for it to open fully. And we have a great design here, man. So if we see this, you capture the attention for you to click on the video. That's all you need, bro, or sis. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please, if it helps, consider subscribing. We discuss more on technology, self-publishing, and mobile devices on this channel. So if you want to improve in these areas, subscribe, because I believe you gain some great values from what we have on this channel. Hit the like button for this video to go viral, and also leave a comment. You can share the video with your friends so that they can still learn as well. So learn how to edit YouTube video. Watch this. See you next time.